हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक ऑन माय चैनल। तो आज हम लोग देखेंगे लेसन प्लान। टॉपिक होगा द शेफर्ड्स ट्रेजर। क्लास 6 के और भी लेसन प्लान इंग्लिश के मैंने अपलोड कर दिए हैं, उसके लिंक आप ज़रूर चेक करें डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। एंड येस, इफ़ यू नीड द PDF then please comment me yes in the comment section below. I will provide you PDF. Okay, and I have one more YouTube channel named Lesson Plan Corner. You can watch that channel also and subscribe that channel also. Here you can see introduction part. So I have added 3 questions. Here is statement of aim. So we have to announce our topic. Here you can see presentation 1 and word meaning also you can see here. So you can see all the word meanings. So we have to write it on the blackboard also. Here you can see after explaining the story to students, we have to ask a question to students. So here you can see 4 questions I have added here. Okay, now here you can see a blackboard work. This thing we have to write on blackboard also. Word meanings we have to write on blackboard. Here you can see presentation 2. So the rest is part of the story you can see here, and the word meaning also at the same time you can see here, and you have to write the same thing on blackboard also, so that student can understand story very easily. Now let's turn the page, and here you can see the question related to whatever we explain to students or whatever we teach to students. Now here you can see recapitulation. So for that I have added 4 questions. Here you can see blackboard work, and last is home assignment. We will meet in next video. Bye bye and take care.